Hello YouTube, it's me again, Jonah, and today I'm teaching my young nephew Ayrton to do his oil change in his car. I learned to do my first oil change at age 17, so it's time to pass the torch. This is Ayrton's first car, which he bought a few weeks ago. Unfortunately, he's got almost 190,000 miles, so it's been around the block.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you back.
Okay, this is our dipstick, usually colored yellow, and this is our oil cap to fill our new oil. So underneath the car on the passenger side is the engine, oil filter, and pan. This is the side we're going to work at. And underneath on the driver's side is a transmission pan with its transmission fluid. Don't get it confused.
Okay, we're on the passenger side here. And there's the oil pan right here. Actually, there's the oil pan right here. And at the back, you can see where the bolt is. Right here.
And we're going to need a 14mm socket to remove this. And before we start, don't forget safety glasses, latex gloves, and your oil pan ready.
Put the socket in. Just crack it. Lefty loosey.
Yes, that's right. Just crack it open, lefty loosey. Once you crack it open, just remove it by hand.
The last second, pull it up quick so the oil gets into the can.
Just make sure your oil pan is positioned properly to catch the oil. When the bolt is almost 100% free, quickly remove the bolt. Be careful, the oil may be hot.
And pull it away. Good. There you go. Nice. Look at the black oil. Black gold. Okay.
Wow, check out how dirty that oil is, guys. Can't believe the dealer didn't even change the oil when my nephew bought this car a few weeks ago. And while the oil is draining, we give the bolt a good cleaning. I was a little disappointed that the new oil filter did not come with a new copper gasket. But we'll definitely change that in the next oil change. Alright, time to tighten the bolt.
Righty tighty.
So what could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
Don't over tighten, just snug. So the oil filter is located near the passenger front tire, and there's usually a splash shield to protect this area, but this car did not have one. We tried to remove the oil filter by hand. Lefty loosey.
It's slippery.
It's slippery? Yeah. Alright, there you go, Vic. Wipe down the whole thing because you won't even get a good grip.
I don't wanna let myself down.
It was still a little bit slippery, so we're going to use this special tool to remove the filter. You can pick up this tool at any automotive store or at Amazon. The good thing about this tool is you can adjust it to a size from small to large. Just crack it open and we can loosen it and remove it by hand. Don't forget to have your oil pan ready to catch it.
Cracked open. Gotta do that. There you go. Nice and slow. There you go. Let the oil drip some more. Good. Okay, you can take it now. That's it.
Now we clean the area well.
The STP. That's the 66607 STP. Okay, take the plastic out.
We picked up this oil filter at AutoZone.
Nice. Okay. STP motor oil 530.
Also bought this oil at AutoZone.
Okay, let's open that up.
That's 5 quarts of motor oil, or 4.73 liters.
Put your finger in there, get some oil in there, and I rub the rubber seal there. That's it. Makes it a better seal when you put it in. Perfect, that's it.
Now install our new oil filter, righty-tighty.
Nice and slow, line it up. Nice. Okay, now your hand, as hard as you can, tighten it.
Yes, just hand tighten only.
Good, that's it. Clean the area a little bit. All around there.
We remove our oil cap and ready to put our oil in.
All right, put it here for now. Don't pull it out, just pull it out a little bit there. Good. Just to let air get through. That's good. Put it in there. Okay, put it in. We're gonna put 3/4 into it, okay? And then we'll measure the dipstick.
Pour it in slowly so we don't overfill. We remove the dipstick and clean it so we can see a good reading.
Okay, hold on a second.
L is for low and H is for high. We want to be in between.
The cross hatching, that's where the oil has to be between. That's your safe zone. Okay, go and then put it in all the way and then pull it out. Pull it out. Now, take a look in there, see how we are.
Because the oil is brand new, it's a little hard to see the oil level. You may have to do this a few times to get a good reading.
Still low, okay.
We'll add some more oil and check the dipstick again.
All the way in, back out. Now hold it like that. And you see, the oil is, yeah, it's right there. It's in the safe zone. Take that out, put the oil cap on.
Okay, time to close it up, start the car, and check for any oil leaks. So, if you liked my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.